What's happening, Kim folk? Welcome back to channel Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. So the first intro we did for this video somehow got lost. So I'm redoing the intro. But listen, today, welcome back to the channel. Today what we're doing is we are installing saddlebag liners and a trunk liner from this company here. It's an Amazon store, right? Same company I got the oil filters from. So check that video out if you haven't seen it yet. They sent us some new stuff, man. They sent us some saddlebag liners and some trunk liners for me and the brother-in-law. So that's what this video is about. We're gonna do an install of it. We're gonna show you how to install it real quick. It's a simple install. And then not only that, they got different colors and stuff, man. It's really cool. So go check their store out, Amazon store. Go check them out. Let them know Knuckles sent you. And then also, let me know what you think of the video down below, and let me know what you think of the product. So the product itself, man, is really good. The stitching in it is really nice. So I just wanted to let y'all know that here in the beginning. We're gonna start the video off with us right before we start installing the product. Let's go. See. All right. When you get your stock trunk, right, that's how it comes. It'll come with a liner it has, and then you don't have anything up top though. Now on mine, Gabriel does not have the rack up top. Now on mine, I've got the rack, which means there's bolts that stick through here as well. So you got some, so let me show you what I've done to mine because I didn't want bolts hitting my helmet. Hey,
what is that?
Hey, focus,
sorry.
hello. I didn't want the bolts coming through on mine, so this is where the bolt is. So I put this padding in here. So that's gonna help because this insert will actually cover all that stuff as well. And then your saddlebags, of course, they just come raw, right? There's nothing in there. They don't come with any kind of liner or anything like that. So this is a good option, man, to get you some cool color in and some padding. But we're just gonna tuck it in real quick just to show you kind of how it goes in there. Oh yeah, because you got your holes for your locks as well. So once we get that in there, we'll figure out the best place to put the Velcro. Dude, that's gonna look pretty sick, bro.
Yeah, once we get it
locked down,
it'll be all right.
Hell yeah. Nice. All right, we're gonna get some alcohol, clean everything. Let's throw the trunk one in, man. See what that shit looks like. Yeah, it's got the little drop down, so it sits underneath that. Set it down. Of course, you're gonna take this liner out first. Yeah, take the bottom one out first, and you'll drop that in. Dude, that's gonna look freaking good. We're gonna clean these out, alcohol, rub them down, and then we're gonna stick them to it. See ya. All right, so we cleaned this area off already, but in order to get this in there, we're gonna have to take this retractable base off. So we've got to take the daggum, backrest off, the trunk backrest. So 1/2 inch, probably gonna get the impact. I don't know why I didn't. Oh, Gabriel got impact fingers. Look at that shit. So, and I think this is gonna be like a T25. This is the layout the brother-in-law came up with. Got it all around the edges, down in the center. Don't want to go over the bolts just because it'll end up coming off. And then you don't want to go here because that's where your little retraction chingarera goes. And then one right down the center. So let's throw this joker in, see what happens. Hose is lined up. And if it's during colder months, you want to try to let that thing heat up a little bit so it'll start forming to your trunk. That's the rhombus design. Okay, so we're getting ready to do the saddlebags. Cleaned out all this with brake clean and Acrosol or whatever, right? Now Gabriel's just kind of, now in this one you get only the one roll, right? With just basically like the male part of it, right? Because this material to where it will Velcro to here. Saddlebags are not like that. The liners for the saddlebags aren't like that. So they send you 2 rolls, one soft side, one lock-in side, right? There's 1 roll of each. So you want to make sure that you have what you want down because those 2 rolls is for both saddlebags. So you got to make sure you spread it out evenly to where you've got enough for both saddlebags, basically. Gabriel's kind of figured out where he wants them. We'll show you what he's doing, and then what we're going to have to do is peel the back off and then drop the saddlebag in there and kind of
one at a time.
One at a time. So we're going to show you how he laid it out, and that way you, like I said, you can do whatever you feel is best for your bike.
Use your judgment.
Use your judgment. Don't go crazy because then you'll run out on one side and you won't have nothing for the other side. But we're going to peel off a section at a time, right? So that way he's not, all of them aren't peeled and then you just start sticking the shit and then it gets all cockeyed. And that way you can kind of work it down inside of it. 1, 2 in the front, 1, 2 on the side. Were you gonna go one more right there or no, Gabriel?
No, that's it'll be okay.
And then 1, 2 on the side there, and 2 on the back end.
I figure that this bolt is gonna
Hold it down?
up.
Yeah. All right, cool. I'll let him start dropping it in. I'm gonna hold the saddlebag so he can take that saddlebag bolt off. Oh, that'll be nice.
No. This is the long side.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. See?
I'm glad you paid attention, babe. My baby paid attention. You gonna do the back first?
I would do these things first.
Put those in?
No? So it won't move around?
That's a good idea, babe. Well, yeah, because you can still get to the...
Because if it starts moving around, the hole's not gonna align.
You don't hear the because of it's not going up against there now. All right, and then he's just gonna start working it like a part-time job and getting that shit stuck down.
So I wonder if I should do this and then peel it and they set, right? What do you think?
And then, like I said, once it heats up, man, kind of works itself in, it'll end up forming a little better. Being brand new right now, kind of just, it's a little stiff. All right, so he's got this in, majority of it, right? We're gonna fine tune it, but that's basically what you're gonna do, man. Looks pretty slick. And then this here, and then we'll get this in, and that'll be it. So we're gonna do the other side. We'll show you the finished product. We're gonna do mine. We'll show you what that looks like, and then that'll be the end of the video. So just hang tight. We'll show you exactly the finished product, and then we'll go from there. See ya. Boom, baby, done. That was 2 hours. So, hey, it did take us a little bit longer, but we took our time. We wanted to make sure that we got it in there, and we tried to get it as smooth out as we could. So this is what mine looks like with the regular stitching, right? We got it all up on the trunk lid. You got it, of course, inside the actual trunk itself. It looks really sharp, man. I got my little mat in there. And then the saddlebag, same thing, right? Again, over time, this will start kind of heating up a little bit to where the fabric will probably stretch out some more to where it'll lay a little flatter. I mean, but they fit pretty good, huh, bro? For you know what I mean? For just being what they are, man. They dropped in good. The Velcro sticks really good. This one here, same thing. Got it all in there nice and neat. That side, I mean, it looks good, man. It looks really good. Let's look at Gabriel. Again, Gabriel's got the rhombus stitching.
Oh, carumbas.
The rhombus stitching. I've got the standard stitching. This part here is easy, man. This part is easy, right? It's a lot of flatness. The saddlebags themselves, let's look at the other one because he already started loading shit in there. But the saddlebags themselves, that's the ones that took a little bit more time, but I mean, they look freaking good, man. I wish they would have had the orange and black, but took what we got, and I think it still looks pretty good.
Yeah.
So
I'm a little colorblind, so the red
so the rest don't bother him. So that's it, man. Look, if you're interested in some good stuff, price point is really good as well, man. And so if you're interested in some stuff like this, the link, like I said, will be down below, man. So just check them out. Click the link. It'll take you straight to the products themselves. They got different color stitching. They've got different, like I said, they got the standard bags. They got the stretch bags like we have. And they've got your King Tour pack, and then they've also got your Razor Tour pack as well. So give them a follow. Not a follow, but give them a check. Check them out. Let me know what you think. And let me know what you think of this video. So we appreciate it. Always appreciate the brother-in-law coming over and us tearing some shit up together. So now we're about to hit the roads. The wife's gonna run the slingy dinghy out there. Is that what we're gonna call it, the slingy dinghy?
No, absolutely not.
and we're gonna take off, man. We're gonna go eat some lunch and have some brewskis. So until next time, until next adventure or next install,
Knuckles out.
see ya!